Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations. My name is Tia. This is week 2 Flosstube for 2023, so the second one. I've got a little bit to go through today, not an awful lot, but first of all I want to send virtual hugs to Emily, Judith, Patchy Pony Stitcher, Sharon and Sue. Thank you very much for your lovely comments. I really do appreciate you coming and hanging out. So yes, right, let's get into it. I haven't got an awful lot of stitching. I've only worked on one project this week, but we have a finish. So let me grab my board. I haven't even ironed it yet, but we have Wouldn't Life Be Great, Lizzie Kate, all finished. So there it is there. So I finished it on its birthday, which was on Tuesday the 10th, and I started it on the 10th of January 2021. So that's all finished. Yay! So that's my first cross stitch finish for 2023. So that's exciting, and I'm thinking, I don't know, you can see up there, I've got a wooden hanger thing, and I've put some like key hooks on it, so I may mount it and put it on that. I'm not too sure yet. Or the other one I might put on there is Welcome by the Cricket Collection. So that is my finish, which is very exciting. So that's all I've worked on, that's all I've stitched. So I've got some haul, I've got some plans, I've got a giveaway, and then my plans for next week. So let's get into that. So I'm now going to move my Season 2, A Year of Celebrations Continues, into my travel stitching spot, so that will allow me to get more done on that, and yeah, just plough through that one. So that is my plans for that. Now my plans for next week, I thought I might work on Miss Ladybug. So she's by Nora Corbett, and this is where I'm up to on her so far. But with a bit of, hang on, I'll grab that out. With a bit of attention, I reckon, so that's what she'll look like when she's finished. I reckon I can get her finished. One of my goals was to finish a fancy lady this year, and these ones aren't big, so I reckon I could get that one finished pretty soon. So that's my plans for next week. I've got my door open, so if you hear cars hooning by and people talking, that's why. Okay, what's next? So that's my plans. Okay, now my haul. I've got a couple of things. I've got this little ornament. Now this is, it's like a oh, it's plastic canvas, 14 count plastic canvas. It's like a little Mill Hill kit. So this was on clearance at work, $10. It's a dimensions kit. And then the other one I got was a Gold Collection Petites. So all our Christmas stuff has gone to clearance at work. And this one is called Believe in Santa. So yeah, I got those two. So that's my haul. I don't really need anything, but because they were so cheap, I got those. Yeah, what else? I reckon that's about it. The giveaway, let's do that. So since I finished Lizzie Kate Wouldn't life be great? I thought I'd give it away. I'm not going to stitch it again. Hang on. I'm going to have to cut this bit out because people are talking outside. Okay, so the giveaway. Now, what I want you to do is put a comment down below with the word, what are we going to do? Sweatpants. Now, we don't call them sweatpants here in Australia. We call them trackies or track pants. But if you put the word sweatpants in a sentence, then next week I will do a draw. This is open to anybody worldwide. It's only small, it can go in an envelope, and then I'll draw a winner next week. So normal rules apply. Over 18, happy to give me your address. Don't use those spam words, you know, those rules. So that is it, I think. Short and sweet, but that's where we're up to. So I've updated all my planner and added in the new, I'll quickly show you those, the new charts, which was Kiwi Christmas by Frog Cottage Designs, because I hadn't done them last year, and then Halloween Fairy. So that's all up to date and ready to go. So that's it. I hope you have a wonderful stitchy week, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.